Hello, friends. I hope all of you are doing well and good today. I welcome you on my YouTube channel, Basel Insurance Guide. First of all, I request you to kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get latest new uploaded videos on my channel directly to you. So let's start my today video on my YouTube channel, Basel Insurance Guide. My today video is going to about choice travel insurance buying guide. So let's have detailed overview on choice travel insurance buying guide. So all of you know that travel insurance is mostly required to travel outside the country in the world. So do you need travel insurance? How do you choose the right cover? And what are you covered for? Choice answers all the questions you need to know before leaving the country. So, why travel insurance? If you are leaving your country, travel insurance is just as essential as passport. Holidays don't always go as planned. If you are leaving your country, like your home country, Australia, Canada, or USA, etc., then travel insurance is just as essential as a passport. Medical expenses are the number one reason to get insurance, but sometimes other things can go wrong, such as trip cancellations, delays, lost luggage, or even the big stuff like natural disasters and pandemics. If you end up out of pocket because of these things, insurance can make up for that. The government Australian won't pay your medical bills. In an emergency, the Australian government can only help so much. The Consular Service Charter describes what the government can and can't do to help overseas. If you end up injured or sick while overseas, you will be footing the hospital bill and the cost of flying home. If you are really unlucky, that could cost you or your family hundreds of thousands of dollars. So some countries won't let you in if you don't have insurance. Singapore and the UAE require you to have travel insurance, not to mention all 26 European countries in the Schengen area if you are applying for a visa to visit. So, what is the main reason Australians are traveling? Like visiting friends or relatives 48% and holidays 34% and business or employment 11% and others are 7%. So whatever your reason for jetting off, travel insurance is a crucial part of your trip. So what are the main reasons are traveling Australians visiting friends and relatives, holidays for business and employment or for other reasons? So reciprocal healthcare. Australia has reciprocal healthcare agreements with several countries: Belgium, Finland, Italy, Malta, the Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, the Republic of Ireland, Slovenia, Sweden, and United Kingdom. If you have Medicare, you can get subsidized treatment for essential services only in these countries, which often leads people to ask whatever they still need travel insurance. So the answer is yes, for the reasons like you are usually only covered for urgent care that can't wait until you get home, and if you are very ill, travel insurance can pay for a medical escort to bring you home to Australia. So you still may have to pay fees for treatment and medication. For example, in New Zealand, reciprocal health care doesn't cover you for free or subsidized care by a general practitioner or ambulance. Travel insurance can cover you for cancellations, delays, stolen items, and more. So remember to take your Medicare card with you. You will need it along with your passport to prove you are eligible for reciprocal health care. For information, you can visit official website of the country. So you need domestic travel insurance. So most of us already have medical cover at home, be it Medicare or private health insurance or both. But there are still a few key reasons to consider domestic travel insurance. First is cancellation. If you have spent a lot on your holidays, then it's not too much extra to buy travel insurance in case of the unforeseen. And number two is baggage cover. If you are traveling with valuables, think about whether you want them covered for theft, loss, or damage. And number three is car hire access. So you can save money using travel insurance to cover your collision damage access rather than paying the car hire company's extra charge. So does international travel insurance cover COVID-19? So many travel insurers now offer limited cover for COVID-19, but the available cover varies quite a lot. Some policies only cover medical and repatriation costs if you get COVID-19 overseas, while other policies provide limited cover for cancellation costs in addition to medical and repatriation costs. You should always check the details of your insurance coverage, particularly how it applies to COVID 19 and travel disruptions. Over 90% of travelers will look for insurance that covers them for cancellation and medical expenses caused by COVID 19. So, if you are planning to go on a cruise, be extra careful. Some travel insurance may not offer COVID 19 cover for multi night cruises, or they may restrict the cover provided on cruises. Also, don't rely on the travel insurance on your credit card unless you check it closely. It may not cover claims related to COVID 19. So there are cooling off periods for COVID-19 cancellation cover. So it's best to buy your travel insurance at the same time as you book your trip. Some insurers may only cover cancellation if you test positive to COVID-19 and the policy was purchased more than 21 days before your scheduled departure date. Make your travel plans COVID safe. You need to be prepared for your travel plans to be interrupted at short notice. A travel insurance may not protect you from government border closures, general lockdowns, or quarantine requirements in your destination country. The key is to book only with providers that allow you flexibility should things change. So check the rules for traveling to your destination and read the terms and conditions, and you can look flexible tickets for flights, and if you book through a travel agent or booking site, and if you pay by credit or debit card, and keep on top of the latest travel advice, and if you do have to cancel. So how to get travel insurance? So where you can buy travel insurance from a travel insurer, travel agent, insurance broker, credit card provider, or even from your health, home, or car insurer. And how you can buy travel insurance online direct from the insurer's website, from a comparison site, or through an airline booking site, over the counter, or over the phone. So, where to and when? So, buy travel insurance as soon as you know your travel dates, that where you are covered if your trip is cancelled before you even leave, or if you are unable to travel at all. Then is what you can certainly buy travel insurance quicker than it will take you to read this guide. But you know what you will be covered for? Will you be covered if you trip over after having a drink? If you crash your scooter in Thailand, if you lose your wallet during a stopover, if you need to isolate because you contract COVID 19. So there are a lot of what's ifs to consider depending on where you are going and what you will be doing. So it's worth reading the product disclosure statement first to make sure you will be covered. So friends, this was my today video on my YouTube channel Basel Insurance Guide, which is about to choice buying travel insurance buying guide. So I hope all of you now have well and good idea about travel insurance buying guide. So I request you to please like, comment and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Basel Insurance Guide. So friends, we will meet soon in my next video on my channel. So till then, kindly take care and have good day.